been doing it. They've been doing it for so many years, and they can manage. So after they take the shells off and then they break it, and you know this fiber, they can use for something else. They also make the cabbage as well. Okay. That's the jacket. Right. Tough, eh? Tough, mama. See? The flesh is very hard. So this whole coconut is about 4 months older than the other one we're going to clean later. So, dạ có. And the next step will be over here. So we'll fry it. Hello. This one make by hand, and those people themselves, they come from farming background. They have a gardens, they have a rice field somewhere around here. Banana chips, banana candies. Yeah. Tí nữa ra kia thử chứ. They have so many different types of chips of rice. The shell will be very good for fuel, for burning. Like longan shell. Yeah. A longan shell, they dry them under the sun and they will be very good for burning. Khoan từ từ nha. You have a look at in the wok here. She cook something a little bit dark. It look like oil. But in fact, this is the river sand. A river sand. After so many years, she cook it on and on and on. The color from yellow change to the dark color of black color. The reason they are cooking sand when they are popping it, if we use oil, of course, it's going to be crispy. Nice place. Ready?
Ready.
You hear the sound. There you go. When they're popping, they lose about 5%. They cut off the water. Okay. After popping, then you have the net there to separate the pop rice out of the sand. The sand go back down there for another pop later. And the next step will be over here, where she again go for another separate. She will separate the pork rice out of the husk. Okay. And the husk down here will be going down there for fill. And the pork rice on the top here, they have to select it very carefully. Pork rice without any shells. Then they use for making pork rice cake. Yeah. And another step here. Oh, that's too much work, mama. Mama.
Okay.
Oh. Also, this is the way you see the green onion. If you dip in the honey, they will be. It doesn't look fresh. They will be rotten very quickly if you dip in the honey. So we try some honey tea over here, and after honey tea, some candies test. We have pop rice cake. So this one a natural one, without any flavor, and the green one over here. That's a bandan. Bandan is a tropical leaves. They have very nice flavor. And some of the other candies here, peanut candy, banana chips, And banana candy, please take the plastic off. Some chips over here. That banana.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
It's just a
Not with the licking of the lips.
That after face is.
Are you doing it? Or you got any cute little one? I smell it.
And then you want to try it. There you go.
Oh my god.
It's strong.
This smells like pea thinner.
I'm not gonna do it. I want to take a look at it. I'm not drinking it.
Want to try?
Nope.
No, I just want
Not
something.
bad.
All right.
I'm sure you look you up.
All right.
I've had way worse commercial liquor.
All right, cheers.
It's not as bad.
Bottoms up.
Happy
Cheers.
birthday!
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday!